They say if you want to tell a story right, you gotta start at the beginning. Or you can just change the ending with a nitpicky video about it later on YouTube.
Ooh, that must hurt. I actually saw this movie, and I don't usually see DC movies that often. Mostly watch Marvel movies.
We lost the diamond.
What?
I'm really sorry, Mr. S. This kid...
We never even got our hands on it.
That's not
I've been
true.
on
What?
this bit.
Shut up. Yes, it is. Don't listen to her, boss. She's lying.
No, I'm not. I had the diamond, but this fool took it from me because he didn't trust me carrying it. Then he got himself pickpocketed by a little kid.
No, I didn't. Shut up.
Thank you so much. Victor, why would you do that? Why would you lie to me? I'm going to have to ask you to cut your own face off now.
But I don't want to.
Oh, I'm sorry, buddy. But you don't have a choice.
Oh.
Shots fired! Shots fired!
Harley Quinn! She's using non-lethal glitter bombs! Hey, stop right there!
Harley Quinn's taking us out one by one!
Well, genius, stop taking turns and group up then. Freeze!
Well,
Back in jail.
We heard you know where Harley Quinn lives. Tell us where she is.
No, we'll give you lots and lots of money. No.
Come on, take the money.
Okay, I guess we'll just go ask someone else kid.
okay, let's go bring back Harley Quinn and that diamond-stealing kid from the funhouse. Just gonna put my phone in my pocket so no private text messages jump out in the open while we drive.
What are you talking about?
Nothing. And we're off. And we're off.
You don't think you can stand on your own, Quinn? You're not the type! You need me!
I'm the one they should be scared of. Not you, not Mr. J. Because I'm Harley.
No, because I'm Batman. I got you.
Batman just comes, works into the ground.
Let me go.
You're supposed to be Batgirl. What is that?
Oops.
You obviously have a lot to learn.
Son of a crap nugget. Harley! What happened? That man just swooped in and took everything. Oh, come on. Are you serious?
Well, this is Gotham City. He was bound to show up sooner or later.
I really thought this time was gonna be different. Not the usual same old song and
Hey,
dance.
Oh, no.
What?
what's up?
You look different.
I know.
You look good.
Want to get out of here? Get into some trouble?
I don't need you. Haven't you been paying attention? I got my girls now.
Yeah, screw you, clown.
Whatever. I don't care. See ya.
Oh, he's so mysterious in that rebel without a cause sort of way. I just can't resist it. Put it, wait for me.
Harley, no!
Yeah, don't be stupid. I'm sorry, girls. He just looks like what I wanted the first time. So we're back together.
After the way he's treated you. Yeah, I thought you would have shot him in the nuts.
So did I. Exactly.
Oh, I'd never do that to my snookums. Besides, I was out of bullets.
Oh, look out! Out of bullets.